World Liberty Financial, Donald Trump's new crypto platform. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we find ourselves on the edge of a new frontier in the world of finance, a digital age where technology continues to redefine the very essence of how we manage our money. At the forefront of this frontier stands a name as recognizable as any in modern American history, Donald Trump. This time, however, the controversial former president isn't stepping onto a political stage, but rather entering the world of cryptocurrency with his latest venture, World Liberty Financial. And like anything associated with the Trump name, this new project arrives with grand ambition, controversy, and a promise to reshape the financial landscape. World Liberty Financial, or WLF, was officially launched in 2024 by Donald Trump, alongside his sons, Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump. The platform presents itself as a solution to what it calls a rigged financial system, positioning itself as a decentralized financial platform built on blockchain technology. Its goal? To provide an accessible, secure, and user-friendly space for cryptocurrency transactions, unburdened by the traditional banking systems that have governed global finance for centuries. A platform built on blockchain technology. Blockchain, for those unfamiliar, is a digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, making the data virtually impossible to alter once entered. This structure promises transparency, a significant factor in gaining the trust of users who are often wary of the lack of regulation in cryptocurrency markets. WLF is no different in this regard. It prides itself on its transparency, offering a suite of services built around this core technology. The WLF platform includes a cryptocurrency exchange where users can buy, sell, and trade well-known digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. In addition to this, it introduces a stablecoin, a cryptocurrency pegged to the value of the US dollar. Stablecoins offer a less volatile investment option compared to the wild fluctuations we've seen with other digital currencies, and WLF hopes this will appeal to everyday users seeking stability in the often turbulent world of cryptocurrency. But the platform doesn't stop there. WLF also offers decentralized finance products, or DeFi, which allow users to lend and borrow cryptocurrency without relying on traditional banks. It even provides a payment gateway for businesses to accept cryptocurrency payments, hoping to push digital currencies into the mainstream as a legitimate form of payment for goods and services. The Trump family's vision for DeFi. What makes this project particularly fascinating is not just its technology but the family behind it. Former President Donald Trump, alongside his sons, has championed WLF as a way to bring financial independence to everyday people. The mission, they say, is to give control back to the individual, something they argue the traditional banking system has long In his typical style, Donald Trump has framed the endeavor as an opportunity for American leadership in the digital economy. During the platform's launch event, held at his Florida estate Mar-a-Lago, Trump emphasized the importance of cryptocurrency as the future of finance. He argued that the U.S. needs to be at the forefront of this new financial world, just as it has been with many technological advances throughout its history. At the heart of WLF is the idea of decentralized finance, which allows users to conduct transactions without the interference of banks or other financial intermediaries. DeFi, as it's called, has been hailed by some as the future of finance, providing greater access to financial services for people who may be excluded from the traditional system. However, the space is crowded, with established platforms like Aave, Compound, and Venus Protocol already dominating the field. WLF will need to offer something truly unique to leadership and controversies. Every new venture has its critics, and World Liberty Financial is no exception. Despite its lofty goals, the platform has faced scrutiny from multiple corners, particularly regarding the individuals involved in its creation. Notably, the platform lists Barron Trump. It's a title that raises eyebrows, given the teenager's lack of known expertise in cryptocurrency or blockchain technology. More concerning to some observers, however, is the involvement of Chase Harrow, a controversial figure with a checkered history of. Critics argue that Harrow's presence raises significant red flags about the platform's long-term viability and ethical foundations. Additionally, concerns have been voiced about the project's potential to be used as a financial tool for the Trump family's personal or legal needs, a claim the family strongly denies. There are also security concerns. Shortly after its launch, a cyber attack targeted the social media accounts of Trump family members, promoting fake links to World Liberty Financial. Although the attack was swiftly addressed, it highlights the risks of operating in a digital realm that is vulnerable to hacking and fraud. The role of the WLFI token. A key feature of World Liberty Financial is its governance token, WLFI. The token will be distributed to users, giving them a stake in how the platform is run. Ownership of WLFI will allow users to vote on important decisions regarding the platform's future, an attempt to bring democracy into finance, at least in theory. According to the platform's founders, 63% of the tokens will be sold to the public, while 17% will be reserved for rewarding users, and the remaining 20% will be held by the team behind the project. Whether this token distribution model will inspire confidence or skepticism among investors remains to be seen, but it's clear that WLF is attempting to position itself as a more inclusive platform than its competitors. There's no doubt that World Liberty Financial represents a bold vision for the future of finance. In many ways, it encapsulates the promise of cryptocurrency, transparency, security, and independence from traditional banking systems. The platform's focus on stablecoins and its accessible user interface suggests that WLF is aiming for a broad audience, hoping to bring more people into the world of digital finance. But the challenges are equally significant. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and the Trump family's involvement, while drawing attention, may also alienate potential users who are turned off by its polarizing brand. Furthermore, the crowded DeFi market means that WLF will have to offer something truly groundbreaking to carve out a sustainable niche. Additionally, WLF's lack of regulation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) raises concerns for investors. Without federal oversight, those participating in the platform are taking on a considerable risk, as there's no guarantee that their investments will be safe or that the platform will operate within legal and ethical bounds. Looking ahead. As we look to the future, the success of World Liberty Financial will likely hinge on its ability to innovate and adapt. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are evolving at a rapid pace, and only the most flexible and forward-thinking platforms will thrive in this environment. The Trump family is banking on their influence, their vision, and their connection to a passionate base of supporters to drive World Liberty Financial forward. Whether this platform can truly live up to its promise of financial liberty for all remains an open question. For now, the eyes of the world are watching as WLF begins its journey in the ever-changing world of digital finance. And now, it's a waiting game.
Let's now get the disclaimer out of the way. This video is for informational purposes only and not intended to give financial advice.